Taylor.
Just twist this just a little bit, and maybe it will.
And hold it down with my finger.
You might have to, just because it's so.
Hey, Taylor. Mama's here. It's okay.
It's fine.
Okay.
She's good. It's just.
Okay.
Yeah. Hey, baby girl. You have the prettiest little lips.
Mm-hmm. Like perfectly formed. Like little ridges. She's glump.
I know. Maybe we'll get this little nose thingy off you tomorrow.
Daddy took the light out of my face. I don't like it.
You're so little.
Oh yeah, here it comes. Mommy did
Hey,
it.
Daddy, get all the happy baby. Hey, Daddy, get all the happy baby. I know. I know.
She pouts just like you do. You can tell the lips start. Yeah, that's a mommy face.
Oh, I'm touching her cheek and she's doing it. That's a good sign, right? I know. We'll have that out tomorrow.
Hopefully.
Yeah, well, today. We're just so precious. Oh, look at that little tongue.
She's trying to spit that hose out.
I think she's just sucking.
It makes them swallow.
Yeah.
I guess all the air for it. She's done really well. She's done really good. She's great.
Have you taken any still pictures? Too?
I'm just
Take
doing
some
all
of those that way
recording.
you can, because the recordings of having